Renowned guys, good afternoon. We're back with another video. I've just started going up to Llyn today, so I'm going to take you along and show you the views. Llyn is in the, well, Carmarthenshire, Powys. Is it Carmarthenshire? Anyway, it's at the top of the Swansea Valleys for me. I just go up the road and I'm there. Yeah, gonna go up there for a little trail run. Last time I got up here, I was walking up here, and I know it's a steep start, as you can see. So, yeah, the weather stopped raining, so we're out. And we're gonna get it on the video and show you all the lovely views. Dere gyda fi, come with me. Oh, this first bit's hard. So up there we're going to the top. You can come back down on the flat bit on the bottom, but I think I'm going to come back down the same way. Oh, a lot of walkers here today. Llyn van Fach. Llyn van Fach. Fach means small. Fawr means big. So, big lake, small lake. Llyn lake. Whew. This is hard to talk while going up here. Oh, this is hard. There we are. Nearly at the top. Oh, nearly there. Do you know what? I love climbing. I love the hills, but whew, that was tasty. That was tasty. Oh, come on, nearly there. Whew. Whew. Nearly went then. Oh. Starting to get into the mist now. But yeah, this is called, this ridge here, you can see behind me, this is called Fan Brycheiniog. In my last video, remember I said, if you watched it, not sure if you remember. Anyway, this is Fan Brycheiniog. You can see behind me there. All of this. In the distance there, we can see Llyn van Fawr. So far I've done 1,593 feet of climbing in 2.5 miles. So my calves are on fire. Woo. There we are. That's Llyn van Fawr. We're going to go down a little bit now. Up there in the mist, round the ridge, and then there's Llyn van Fach. Remember, Fach small, Fawr big. I know the most people who are going to watch this are my friends and family, but introduction to myself, if you're new to the channel, you probably aren't new, I've only got 180,000 followers, like, you know. Yeah, my name's Nathan, I've been playing music since the age of 12. I've always been into making videos, making songs. I've always been creative. Yeah, even if that's from making Call of Duty videos back in the day, right up to vlogs and all that. And then in lockdown, I started to do some fitness, do Ironmans. Yeah, and I just love it. So I thought, you know what, why not put them both together and do vlogs of the gigs like I have been doing the last, well, I've done 2 videos And then why not take you on my trail runs or bike rides, and yeah, video it to show you. So hope you enjoy it. Whew. It's an hard bit.
Time 15 minutes.
Oh, it's getting cold now. Oh, it's hot. Here we are. Oh, forgot about the trig point. Woo! Woo! Ja, look. Pustin bach. Woo! That's the top of Van Becheiniog. You can see over there, that's Llyn Fawr in the mist. Got to go over there now to the ridge looking over Llyn Fach. Here we are. Up to the next bit. We've got this flattish section now that goes along the top over to Llyn Fach. Probably the only flat bit of it, I think. I think we're up 2,000 feet now. Let's have a look. 1994 feet of climbing. So yeah, we should have about 3 today. 3,000. Hopefully 4. Hopefully 5 if my legs can handle it. Gotta be honest with you, did get lost then. Quite far away from Llyn Fach. I thought I was closer. But yeah, I'm a bit lost to be honest with you. Just following his path. Because of the mist, I can't see which way to go, to be honest with you. Yeah, I'm gonna stop here and check my map. There we are, back on track now. Did go off track a little bit. There we are, we're back on track now, boys. Off we go. The Llyn Fawr! Bloody hell! Oh my god! Wow! Can you see that? Oh my god! Whoa! That is mad! Not sure if you can see that, but that just mountain disappeared out of nowhere. Do you know what? I couldn't get over that end. How that disappeared. The last time I got up here was about... I hope you understand me, because I can't really talk very clearly. I can't talk clearly anyway. But the last time I came up here was with Emyr Fawr Myers. Hope he's watching, otherwise I'm going to delete him as a friend on everything I got. But anyway, last time I got up here, we hiked up here. And that's been 2-3 years ago, I think. No, longer than that. I didn't expect that then. You know, it's gone again, look at it. Here we go now. I don't want wet feet. Oh, yes! Get in there! I think this is the last climb. You know, we are going to turn around. We are going to turn around and come back. Same way, I think, but... Whew, this is the last climb. This way. Nearly there. Oh. Woo! But hey, top is there. Oh my god. Got the top. Llyn Fach is down there somewhere, if you can see it. Oh, look at that. Oh. Wow. Look at that. Well, I don't know if you can see anything, but that's looking over now to, well, Carmarthenshire is that way, Sir Caerfyrddin, and that way is Powys, Brecon, Prince Wales, Converted wells in the background. Yeah. It's 3:05. I'm gonna have to cut this short. 4:15, the sun's going down, so yeah, I'm gonna have to cut this one short. I wanted to go down here. I wanted to go down, round this, down that ridge. There we are. Llyn Fach is there. The quickest way back then would be down there, round, back round there, but yeah, not sure about that. There we are, there's a better view. See the mountains now. There we are, Llyn Fach, in the mist, gone. I think I have to run back. I've got about an hour to get back. Took me 1 hour, 1:12 to get here. So trail running is supposed to be, you know, taking it slow, getting the elevation in. It's not really about the pace, is it? But I think I'm gonna have to put the armour down to get back. There we are. I know the weather's been bad this morning, but this is what I like about Llyn Fach and Llyn Fawr is that it's not overpopulated like Pen-y-fan. You know, everyone goes to Pen-y-fan. I know it's the biggest peak, it's the highest peak in South Wales, but everyone goes to Pen-y-fan. You know, there's more than Pen-y-fan. You know, you've got Llyn Fach, Llyn Fawr, Fan Bycheiniog, that ridge we went across, Fan Gahirech, you've got them all. There's loads of vans. If you want to do a van, there's loads, you know. You don't have to go to Pen-y-fan. It's so overpopulated, there's loads. So, yeah, coming up here is great. It's lovely and quiet. I've seen a lot of trail runners. I've seen a few boys walking, and that's it. So, yeah. Pick another mountain. Another thing I'll add to that, I know I'm here making videos and I've got my phone in my hand, but everyone is in the house, you know, on their phone, social media. Yes, we're all on social media, but how many people haven't been out up to these beautiful places, you know? Just get out a bit, like, put the phone down, get off social media. Oh shit. Yeah, and just get out, like. It's a pity that a lot of people haven't experienced these places, you know. Look at this. There we are, there's a better view. Llyn Fawr. Looking right round. Llyn Fach round there. And in the background, what do we have? Pen-y-fan. How many of you have had a photo of Pen-y-fan? Let me know. I think everyone has. Everyone. There's normally a queue there in the summer. But look, come up here. There's no queue at all. Well, there is a queue behind me, but only one in the queue. Oh, look at this view. Look at it. Woohoo! There we are. We're back at the bus then. Cofiwch. Look at this. Message of the day. Get off your phones. Obviously I'm on my phone now recording this, but get off social media. Just get out. Look at that. Look at it. yeah. How good is that? I just can't stop getting my phone out to take photos and videos. Oh, it's lovely up here. We're 7.4 miles in. 3,000 feet. This is the last climb up, and then we're going straight down. So, yeah. Oh, lovely. I've enjoyed this. Woo! Look at that! Yeah, that's the Swansea Valley there. In the background you can see the Mumbles. See a bit of sea there. Anyway, thought I'd show you the Swansea Valley there. Back at the van, just made it before the sun going down and going dark. If you are going to go up there for a hike or a trail run, take a light with you and make sure you got enough phone charge, because my phone died. I had a little bit of a panic coming down, not panic, but you know, I was a bit like, oh, you know, hope no one's worrying where I am. Took me ages to get down, so yeah. If you're gonna go up there, I wouldn't come back down the way I went up. I'd go down to Llyn Fach, around the ridge, and back down. It's a lot quicker. The way I came down there now was, that was horrible, especially with no phone, battery. I got lights in my bag, but yeah. So take a phone, make sure you've got enough phone battery. I'm gonna go back home now. The women in the family are watching Abba Voyage. The men of the family are gonna have some form of food, probably a curry, and that's it. So, diolch yn fawr am wylio. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one. Thank you.